Hi guys, James here at Voltage Hire. Just a quick video here to show you how to use the functionality of Zap Map. Really useful tool, available on iOS and Android, and also desktop on normal PCs. Basically gives you access to all of the charge points effectively in the UK. Most people use it for rapid chargers, but it will also show you AC charging and standard 3-pin plug sockets that are available to the public as well. Extremely useful tool. Effectively, as you can probably see here, it's an overlay on Google Maps. Obviously it's picking up my location. These pins here are all of the rapid chargers as we jot out here and zoom out of the UK. First of all, we're going to highlight in the top right hand corner here, you can see the filter icon. This may be different if you're on iOS. I'm using an Android phone here. Gives you a set of filters that are the main things really. So initially we've got connector types, then we've got networks. That's a bit like saying BP, Texaco, Shell, same sort of thing, just what network is providing the charge point. Then we have obviously location types. That's going to tell you if it's near something. Payment is a real big one because obviously that allows you to select how to use the charge point. Initially, most charge points were only accessible via an RFID card, which you have to obviously obtain from the charge point provider in advance. Alternatively, you had to use their mobile app. Not the best ways to do things. I think the best solution is to be able to do it any way you like, which is why contactless debit credit cards is a fantastic way to use. The free to use option, there are some chargers, even rapid chargers, that are on free vend. If you can find one of those, yeah, jackpot. So that's those two, and the last one is obviously Zap Pay, but we'll go for it. I'll clear them off. One final thing I'd just like to cover is the Zap Map menu. So the 3 dash line here, this gives you an overview of the sign-in aspect and the account aspect of Zap Map. You can basically sign in here, route plan, add your EV model in, effectively what car you're driving. That basically will then allow you to only see charge points that work with your car. So you would be helpful for beginners or people who are new to EVs. However, most EVs now run Type 2 and CCS, most of them. We would obviously help you with that. When you hire a vehicle from us, we would tell you, what chargers you need to look out for what vehicle. Also as well, most chargers, realistically rapid chargers, most of them have both connectors, as I said previously, so not as much of a necessity as you think it would be, but it's still there, still an option. You can also obviously set up Zap Pay cards there. Not something that we've ever done, we've not got into yet, there's just not enough networks. Contact settings and various different bits here. I hope this video's been obviously useful. If you do need anything, please give us a shout and we'll be more than happy to help.